Yes, you can apply for a green card without a lawyer, but the real question is whether you should, and that decision can affect your future in the United States permanently. Hello, my name is Lara Akinlude, and I'm the managing attorney at Lardell Law. This is one of the most common questions I hear. Do I really need a lawyer to apply for a green card? Today, I want to give you an honest professional answer, not fear based advice and not oversimplified online opinions. 1. Yes, the law allows you to apply on your own. Let's be clear, US immigration law does not require you to use a lawyer to apply for a green card. Many forms are publicly available, and USCIS does allow self filing. But legality and advisability are not the same thing. 2. When people successfully apply without a lawyer, some applications are relatively straightforward. For example, clear family relationships, no prior immigration violations, no criminal history, no status complications, no timing or eligibility concerns. In these limited cases, some applicants do succeed on their own. However, these cases are the exception, not the rule. 3. Where self applications commonly go wrong. Most green card problems arise not from form, but from strategy. Self filers often choose the wrong green card category, file too early or too late, submit evidence that does not meet legal standards, overlook past immigration issues, answer questions incorrectly without realizing the consequences once filed. Those mistakes become part of your permanent immigration record. 4. What a lawyer actually does that forms don't. A green card lawyer does far more than fill out paperwork. They had assess eligibility across multiple categories, identify risks before you file, decide when and how to file, anticipate officer concerns, structure evidence strategically, protect you from misrepresentation or denial. This is about risk management, not convenience. 5. Why fixing a mistake is harder than doing it right. Many people come to a lawyer after a denial. At that point, options may be limited, timelines may be longer, certain pathways may be closed permanently. In immigration law, prevention is almost always easier than repair. 6. A practical rule to remember. If your green card case involves any prior visa issues, any gaps in status, any criminal history, any uncertainty about eligibility, any urgency or time pressure, you should not be guessing. That is when legal advice is not optional, it is protective. Applying for a green card without a lawyer is legally allowed, but that does not make it a safe decision for everyone. A green card application is not just about approval today. It affects your ability to stay, work, travel, and eventually apply for US citizenship. If you want clarity before filing and want to avoid mistakes that could follow you for years, speaking with an experienced immigration lawyer early can make a decisive difference. At Lardell Law, we help clients understand their options, assess risk, and move forward with confidence and strategy. Thank you for watching, and in the final video of this series, I'll explain the top mistakes people make when applying for a green card on their own.